What's up guys? We got a awesome part from Russia today. I've got a new sponsor. They are IGear.ru if you want to check them out online, and I'll be posting links down below. But they probably have the sickest selection of aftermarket parts for the QX70, FX50, FX35, FX37. They have everything. They do tons of other Infiniti products. The coolest parts I've ever seen, and their Instagram's awesome. They have all that stuff posted up on there. So these are going to be a really cool piece we have today. They're going to go over the rear tail lights right here. It should help kind of give me a little more of that Stormtrooper look, so I'm pretty stoked. We got this sweet Russian goods right here, so let's check it out. Super clean. We're gonna have to get 3M tape for these. Just awesome. So let me show you exactly how this is gonna go down. Okay, y'all, I've mocked it up on this side. It's gonna look really good. I love that it's just perfectly paint matched with my shark fin that I have up here right now. Once I get these roof rails blacked out and these wheels and handles, it's gonna all flow together so well. Though I haven't put 3M on this, it's literally just sitting on top, so the cut is perfect. Just cut absolutely perfect. And it looks aggressive for sure. And it's subtle, like at certain angles you can't even tell it's on there. You get up close and it's there. I'm gonna swap out the shark fin. Let's take a look at it real quick. Oh, I think it looks goofy. Oh, yeah, so I just took out the antenna. That's what it looks like. We're gonna put a gloss black one on. Okay, so I've set this up, like just kind of have a box around it so I know where to set the new one. Okay, here's what we're working with. It's the Beat Sonic. This is the model number. If you want to look it up, it's gloss black. Because you know I'm trying to black everything out. Packaged really well. Came in a bigger box. So I actually think it just goes over, plugs in, and goes over the OEM one. All right, I have this mocked up. It's just gonna go straight. I'm pulling this piece out. And this is gonna go here, maybe like this. Three different size screws that come in this little kit. So I'm trying the next size down. Yeah, that's it. So that's gonna amplify your sound. We're gonna peel this tape off. Really gonna just pop it down straight in there. So what I wanna do to make this just a hair easier for myself, I'm gonna mark the center line on this. So I can kind of know where center is, dead center. Which I think it's gonna be right here for me. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Pressing down firmly. So check it out. Can't wait to black out the roof rails to go with that. It's a really aggressive shark fin, not like a little round one, which goes really well with the look we got going on here. And yeah, just a little more black as we get the wheels and the door handles. This is gonna be a sick overall uniform look. Get that Stormtrooper Panda look. So yeah, guys, that's pretty basic. It's on there. Functionality should all be the same. You can get these painted different colors. This one I just wanted gloss black, like I said, because I want more of that look. All right, y'all, let's get a final look at this. The lines on these things are perfect. Awesome craftsmanship, quality paint, quality cut. Everything lines up perfect. Look at that. Really makes the black chrome and these tail lights stand out a lot more. The lines on this are just absolutely perfect. And It's really giving me what I was looking for, that Stormtrooper look. Goes with the shark fin antenna really well. Pick these straight up from IGear.ru from Russia with love. Awesome product, guys. Check it out. Definitely worth it if you kind of want to get a little more black on the car. So yeah, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Peace out.